Okay, good morning everyone. Here is the entrance to the house at the gate here. And here are the gatekeepers.
Just tell them that this house, when we finish, is going to be beautiful.
So here's the driveway. You come down and here's the steps. Enter to the front. And here we have the doorway. And so enter here. And here's the first room. I'm not sure what this room. This is going to be the living room. And obviously there'll be a door here. And this will be doorless, right?
This will be like a coffee time, and then you can.
So all this is doorless. So here you could put nice chairs and walk down, protected from the rain. You have a nice view. Too bad they built that wall. You can't see the. But.
That's the house.
And then we come back in here. We have 2 bedrooms that they're locked now. I can't see, but there's a big bedroom in here. And here is another big bedroom.
That's where the workers put their tools. So they don't listen.
Yeah. So when we come in here, this is what? This the living room. Den.
I got the feeling that this is like a living room. That's how we get married.
And then we come in here. I think this will be the kitchen. I'm not sure. Maybe this will be a kitchen.
Well, looks like this is the kitchen because there's a thing for the tin sink.
Okay, so maybe that will be the kitchen, and this will be the dining area. So here you have your table. So when you're eating breakfast, you have this beautiful view of the volcano. Then you have the lake. I think that's another volcano, right?
1, 2,
3. You have 3 volcano view. So this will be the dining area. Then we come over here, and here is your living room with a fireplace, stove fireplace. Here you could have your TV against the wall. You have your sofa here. And here is actually, I believe, this is the entrance.
It will be an entrance, yeah.
This is the proper entrance. You would come in. So maybe here you would have some cabinets. And I'm not sure what this is. Maybe a portable toilet when the workers are here.
There's probably something in there.
Well, this will be removed. So this will be all. And if you notice the high beams roof, so beautiful. You have the high ceilings. And then the entrance, you would come in here. You could come in straight. Imagine here you'd have some cabinets or shelves. Pictures. And is this going to be open?
He's going to have a door.
You want a door?
Because it's going to be private.
Yeah, okay. So you could have a door here. Maybe like a glass door. And then, of course, here's your little porch area. So this will be all open, right? So you could have your beautiful plants, some nice chairs, some outdoor chairs. Then you have a little yard with a garden. And this walks down here, a little walkway. And down below is the caretaker's house. They have their laundry. But look at out here, you could put a nice patio or something
Later
here.
on, all that is going to be just like a yard. No bombillos, or whatever. Maybe we make something for the caretaker, but not like.
Yeah. But you could enjoy it anyways. If you love the sun, you could come out here and sit.
This is gonna have like a nice floor.
And it looks like they put the steel so you could add on even more. So you see there's lots of they prepared for extension. So let's go back in here. So when you're done sitting down, you could walk back in here, and to your left, we could see here is another room. I believe this would be just a reading room or something. Looks like there's places for gas. So this might be like an extra kitchen or something to prepare some tortillas or something. And then here you have your light switches. And here someone wrote some graffiti. Salud. I can't read that. We come back in here, and to our left, here we have, I believe this would be a closet. So maybe a closet. I don't think a bathroom because we have lots of bathrooms. Okay. It could be though, but I'm not sure. So here's one big bedroom here. And of course, you are going to have nice windows. So you could look out, enjoy the view when you wake up in the morning. When you wake up in the morning, first thing you see in the morning is, bam, the lake and a volcano. So beautiful. And of course, this has its own private bath. Here you have your bathtub, a shower, and a toilet. And this will be all covered with, this will have a low ceiling. This will have a low ceiling. And you walk in here, and we have another closet. I believe this will be a closet, a walk-in closet, because there's no pipes for water. But there is another bathroom here and the second bedroom. Now this bedroom doesn't have the view, so this will be maybe for the kids. But you have a nice big room with a private shower and bath. You have the hookups for your water. And you have a shower and toilet here. So that's one big bedroom there, the second bedroom here, 2 in the front. That's 4 bedrooms.
All we need is money to finish it.
And all we need is money to finish it, which is estimated around $40,000 US. That will include the flooring, of course, all the wall, the ceilings, paint, everything. So we have 2 bedrooms here, which we can't enter. I wonder what they look like. I think does each room have its own bathroom?
I never seen it because it's black, but I think it's black over.
So probably not. Probably they're not going to have their own bathroom. So that means maybe this would be a bathroom, but I'm not sure. Maybe they do have their own bathroom. We could ask the.
This is open.
Yeah, these won't be bathrooms. This will be all open. So here we have maybe some kind of sitting room, reading room, office. This will be the dining room, and then that's a kitchen. Because when you're preparing your food, you could put a nice wood table here, and you could even have a stool sitting and enjoy conversation. And of course, here you have your nice table. And here we have some music, right? This is the kitchen, I believe, right? I don't know about the whole thing, but it looks like here we have the sink. So when you're washing dishes, look at that view. I would like to wash dishes with this view, wouldn't you? And then you're going to have your gas. I believe gas maybe is under here somewhere. Maybe over here is gas here. It looks like a gas. Buenos días, ¿cómo estás? Yeah, hello, good morning. So it's too bad we can't go in here. Maybe we can see in the video. I don't know if you can see.
Here's the one of those stools.
Oh, I know, but I'm talking about when it's a bedroom. I'm not sure if the video could catch that. But it's dark in there. ¿Tienes baños por aquí? Baños. No? ¿No hay baños? Okay. So this is one of my favorite rooms here. You could soak up the sun here, reading a book in the morning. Look at the view. And then you could go through here. It's very nice. Let's take a look at the yard. Oh yeah, when the sun comes up, it's going to be nice and hot and warm. Buenos días. Buenos días. What's up? The only I said good morning. Yeah. The only sour thing, it's not really a bad thing, is the wires, but that can't be helped. You can't do nothing about that. But let's take a look at this little walkway. So you could walk down here, a little beautiful curved walkway. And if you go down here, there's a caretaker's house, but there's a beautiful garden, beautiful tree. Yeah. And you could put a nice a hammock or something in the grass. Yeah, you do.
I mean, this is very.
This is nice. So from the front, it's got the light fixture here. You could have a beautiful light at night. And of course, you could enjoy your barbecues here or on the grass. And obviously the neighbors don't care about the time. So this is Aguas Escondidas, la casa de Julio Flores.
Familia Flores.
Familia Flores. And okay, guys, so that's a little tour here, and it's gonna take about maybe like we said about extra $40,000 US to complete it to make
When we
it.
get together, we can do it because the hardest thing is.
But of course, there's always if you could, the sky's the limit. You could go to high-end things or just keep it low budget and maybe just do a few rooms at a time. But as you can see, all the most important things are done. You got the roof, the walls, so your foundation's strong. And just to finish it is just the fixing. So look at these tables. Will these be tables?
They will be tables. I believe it so because this is what they're nice.
Yeah.
¿Cómo podemos usar eso?
So you could finish a little wall here so they don't fall off. Muy peligroso.
That's is gonna be like the house in Guatemala. It has it's gonna have like that so you can hold yourself.
Oh yeah.
You can jump or
Yeah.
anything,
You can't fall
and
off.
right here too.
But actually, this is for when you park your car. The main entrance is over here in the front.
You park your car, you walk up here.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Let's check out the main entrance. So I think.
Actually, the main entrance is over there. Just for the car.
Oh yeah, I was gonna just walk over here. So if they could pave this road, and you could park obviously 2 cars here or whatever, and then you walk up. It's blocked right now, but hola. This will be the door here. La puerta está ahí.
Sí, ahí está la
Yeah.
puerta. Que tiene la puerta.
Yeah.
Buenos días.
Buenos días.
¿Cómo está?
Bien, aquí.
Es que lo que cuando uno entra ahí, ¿a dónde entra uno? ¿A la sala o al comedor o dónde? ¿O no va a haber entrada?
No entra.
¿No hay entrada aquí?
Ahorita no
No,
puedo.
ahorita no, yo sé que no.
Sí, that's the door.
¿Qué es lo que hay del otro lado? Muy buenas.
I don't think he knows because he's working on that house.
Oh, ok, entonces no problema. Pero sí, quiero partir aquí dos de ellos. If you park over here, then you just leave it
Yeah,
over
they
here.
had to fix the road.
But if you notice, everybody leaves a big engine here.
And yes. Okay, guys. So his neighbor, and the next door neighbor, is from Canada, and he let us sleep here tonight. He hasn't been back since COVID, but it's a nice house too. So that'd be a nice neighbor to have.
So that's where we sleep, huh?
That's where we slept last night because this house is not ready.
Right.
But yeah, if you could put a nice driveway. Too bad the road finished over there, so look at those big holes. It's kind of hard to get up.
Y esta cosa aquí también.
But
Tiene entrada aquí y suben para arriba.
yeah, he's gonna have his door, garage
Yeah,
here,
this is grass.
entrance here.
Ya sube porque
Yeah, that's nice.
allá, ese es como para acá.
Yeah.
Fuman chips. Él está ofreciendo comida.
Okay, this is the end of the video of the Flores Familia Casa in Aguas Escondidos. And see you later. Bye bye.